Hello everyone, this is Ivan, the author of Procedural Environment Generator plugin. In my last video I went through basic features of the plugin, which are mostly there in the light version right now. But today I want to go through advanced things which were added recently in versions 2 and 3, and I believe they are really cool. So let's go and see what was added. The main things are now visible in the example blueprint. You can do exactly the same in your own blueprint with your own settings. These main features are here in these two big blocks. First of them is linked to the keyboard G button for the generate. You can link it to any other event you want, but for the simplicity I just decided to go for keyboard buttons. So here you can set the dimensions of the area you want to generate. This block will do the most important part of this algorithm. It will generate the environment for you according to the rules and blocks you have. So here is this set of blocks with rules. Then we just iterate through everything which we got from this algorithm, and then we spawn the actor with this helper block to spawn. We can set if we want to replicate these actors or not. Right now it is set to true. Alright. So what about the other one? I linked it to Al with no particular reason. I've set a much bigger size for these blocks to make it take some time to generate. And then there is a different block, which is called async. What it does, it generates the same stuff asynchronously in the background. So you don't need to wait. You have your camera, you can do whatever you want during the generation time, and then you do just the same. You iterate and you spawn everything, also with the ability to replicate. So let's look how it works. Right now it might be a bit laggy because I'm recording this video at the same time, but let's see. So play. So first of all, I press G. Okay, so it generated them almost immediately after I press the button. So here is this environment which we generated. Then I clean everything. I press L. You see everything is still available. I can look around. So we need to wait about 5 seconds. And here it is. This is 30 by 30 by 10. This is a really big area. And it still follows all the rules we have. I think it's great that it's possible in so small amount of time. All right. Let's see what else is now possible with the blueprint. Okay. So here is the C button, which I used to clean everything. It's pretty easy. It just goes through all actors under WFC actor with blueprint and cleans all actors. And this one is another cool thing which can be very useful if you want to change the assets you use for generation during the game. You can add component from the blueprint linked to any event again, set weights, set rules, set exceptions, set static mesh, and whatever you want. So all properties are exposed to Blueprint. You can set them, and this will basically build the set of components you have right now on the left. So you can even start with the empty list, add your components during the game, and then using one of this, generate the environment out of them. Then you can, for example, clean everything, clean all components, add the different set of them, and generate again, and you will have two completely different levels. I think that's great. So I've already mentioned replication, so let's see what it means. Let's just set more than one player, for example. Oh, here it is. So, yeah, okay. So 3 players. Launch. So here are other windows. So I generate, then we switch, and you see everything is replicated by ear. Okay. And that's actually all I wanted to share with you. If you aren't sure that you want to buy the plugin, you can check the basic functionality in the light version. Yeah, and I wish you all the good day. Bye-bye.